I'm Travis Kaufman, Executive Vice President of DataDish USA. Are you still managing your fleet maintenance on paper or Excel? You know how painful it can be. We'd love for you to let DataDish help you manage your maintenance with our powerful maintenance platform. It's going to help your technicians in the shop be a lot more effective. It's going to help you save cost. It's going to help you maximize what you're doing on parts and warranty, and ultimately give your executive team the data that you need to make great decisions and help improve the bottom line of your business. So your fleet has grown, things are going great, but you're thinking about how to transform parts of your business with great digital technology and platforms, moving off of paper and simple systems. We know it can be really, really hard, but there's a lot of simple ways to make it a great experience for your entire business. The transportation industry is really tough, we know that, and it's already a low margin business. Getting control of your maintenance cost is a huge benefit to being more competitive in the space and driving those dollars to the bottom line that you need to increase and grow your business. DataDish has an unbelievable platform, great people that are ready to help you. Reach out to us today. We look forward to connecting with you.